show. Sorry, we've been the snap picture.
Una go see on Instagram.
Una go see her for Instagram. We go post her for Instagram.
Yes.
My name is Nedu. Now our landlord daughter be this. Our caretaker son name be that. Now make your hair be like a Willie Logomba. Ketu. Breathe. Play that song.
You remember to dance that dance.
Oh, one thing before Easy B play that song, I want of course we share the same sentiment. I want to say thank you to everybody when they be say send money and when we repost for that girl Mayowa for Instagram. We get ovarian cancer. Everybody will repost that picture for Instagram. Everybody will send money. God bless all of you.
Somebody break them down. Say if to say maybe you get over 10,000 followers,
yeah,
or 100,000 followers, you put 200 naira. The money don't reach more.
Yes. So
nothing is too small.
Nothing.
If it can be you or God forbid.
No, they say the money don't complete.
Hey.
They say the money, the 32 million don't complete.
Wow.
So waiting. Basically, waiting make us they talk about this and I say if it be anybody any day,
honestly,
you understand? Just a thank God, say you wait there for that place, say you get good health, your body do okay.
And say by God's grace, everything go happen okay. Say she go well again, come. Then if she well, come get herself back, we'll go bring and come.
Show.
We go talk about her journey, the pain, everything.
So our prayer now, you at the house now, make in case you know the matter, make you pray for Mayowa Ahmed. Thank God they say the money don't complete. So very soon she will go for the surgery. That's the first process.
The second process now na surgery and then the third na recovery. Everything go dey okay.
So more they pray, make she recover, and they make everything they okay for her. All of you we donate money. God bless all of you. God bless you. God bless you. When you're in your own time of need, people will come to your aid. Thank you. Easy bit K to Katim.
No, you know say this Easy bit. May you not carry this hair go Kenya. You know say they deport him brother.
All right, good evening and welcome on Top the Night Show. My name is Nedu _me Katim and Easy Beat. Don't say that for Inside Studio. Today we get two guests, gospel artists. 2 of them be two guesties. One guest.
I think you say 2 guests for girls.
Two guesties.
Okay.
Now, before we start, I don't know signs of end time. Before, I know why they shout. We dey fear our pastor. But now, any pastor will do anyhow, he go see anyhow. I beg, I don't know what I get that video, but I play him.
No, they understand what they talk.
I will not get that video.
We don't get that.
Then get them, but they don't want to play him.
No, now,
It doesn't, it could may matter, it could may not. Well, now some people, now they show him. Please help us if you get the video. Play them if you get them.
So that you know this thing, and they can you can really understand.
No, they not get the video. They not get the video. Case must not get the video. But basically, what happen be say, pastor, they shout, make them give them. Say he not know the money where church gets. The account when it be the money they enter inside church. He not they see the. He not they keep.
Nowadays, pastor, no be that pastor carrying picking go lock for chain like dog.
Now God now go judge that pastor. Now that pastor
that pastor they ask for key of safe.
Now that pastor will lock him picking for over 1 month when they staff the picking.
They don't arrest her.
They don't arrest her now. Come outside when they talk say, Nigeria people, may they come help him. I say, may dog lick your nose.
Amen.
Now you not see Nigeria people. Where the boy thief?
Since
they say, and the boy say he thief food because hunger they hood.
If you hear what's in the boy say, ain't no one go back in Papa house.
He say no one go back in Papa house again.
He say one be doctor and Papa now he take him serious. You know he said and go school. The boy
talk with the call thief.
And I be the call thief be that.
You say no, you get the spirit of thieving. So you lock him for dog chain. So that dog chain where you take lock him now is for what now?
Lock him for padlock him for neck.
He not give him food. The boy enter coma.
He not give the boy food. The boy go thief food. You lock him. Use chain.
Come be like just to remain to tell the boy say do wow.
The one where make us bring remember this pastor owner because of the pastor when he be say somewhere for inside Lagos for here. The pastor I don't know the church where be that.
I don't know what's enter and self. It will say him be known. He not doing research.
He not do research well. He not researching members. He know say get some kind members. I'll show you some of the members now area boys them be where they call repent come go church. You know the kind of ushers they say Ogbeni no joke well. You know the ushers where you just enter church they go like this.
Because he no talk, you just
then
say,
you now you go feel say members can do that thing. Pastor, come and tell this boy where area boy need you. Now, in members, the guy they ask say for the past 3 months where he don't become pastor for church, say make him they see the account of the money with the church they make. Members, according to him, members not come shwan. Now, members come they talk, say the man come, now another grade level of pastor now is supposed they. Like, for example, it's supposed to be grade level 7.
Yes.
He come, they say make them put up for grade level 9 and make the salary too, make it go up.
Because who you be?
Not be so the man they church on Sunday, they pray, praise and worship. That's why them bundle pastor through where I'm going.
They carry him off the ground. You know, say again.
They carry him.
What's it? That boy, where they sing off the ground records. They carry him off the ground.
Come out through him for inside. Come out through him for inside church. I said now wahala na happen. But anyway, from there make we enter another one. One rapper. Now be waiting.
Maybe he don't shit for church since.
He don't do anyhow. They just wait for him make a match leg again. Make them deal with him. One rapper.
Rapist.
We one in song one blow. In one making song blow.
You don't say how many songs you go sing before
where you go blow like
Minjin singer.
So the guy not feel wait. In one blow. In one can do
like
picture for a video for in song. He can't shoot in get self gun.
Bourgeois.
From here away put here. Because of say you want promote your album. See
help me. That thing he die or he come blow. The final
just
blow.
To get famous. At least you don't get famous now. Who go do in mark now?
No, but this thing now, you go see, if you do this kind of thing.
No, but if not so, I did be blackface do this thing now. Blackface for don't blow past this one now. Skibby. No, Skibby own. Skibby, he didn't go too far. He die. I did be Skibby cut a hand.
Say,
our own are the gist. They fake the gist.
Now we know our own they fake the gist. Skibby, we not the drum.
Just fake
no, with the
just make
it.
noise.
Make it to. Man, the say fake it till you make it.
Yes.
Just fake out.
So this one, true shoot himself. Skibby tell himself, say, "Why go shoot myself? Make I just from side die."
Snap picture.
You don't like that, they snap picture.
So,
oh my God.
Skibby no can walk around now. And the funny part is, say, some people, before Skibby they alive, they don't know him. He died. They still don't know who him be. Now, sir, nobody, no matter the song we sing, Skibby
Skibby don't sing.
He
they sing.
They
shoot video.
But nobody they know the music way they sing now.
They shoot video, do everything.
Eh? The guy don't. Who know now? If you go work one day now, you go come work, you go see and carry TV. Can't employ me. Oh God, they do everything. Everything. So Shina Rambo, think of what you can do for yourself. Shoot yourself somewhere.
Easy answer question here. Ike signed on top Twitter say, easy bit, which day you dye your hair? Nedu, why you wear all black?
I wear all black. You not see Bram? You not see Bram? Is it your all black? Is it your all black? It will not go first. You don't chop night food.
Maybe no say black and brown went to school together.
Now the top. Is it your black? My boxers too is black. You want see him?
No, it's black and brown.
Black.
Super.
Hey, now black and blue.
Okay.
Now brown, you see.
No, I mean,
anyway, we got two guests inside studio here, Chioma and Feyth.
Just they look us.
Chioma and Feyth, welcome
like
to the next show.
Moses.
Like Chuxi and Moses. Now you be Chioma. You call the Zembu Chioma.
Not true.
You call the Zembu Feyth.
Who you be?
Who
is you?
Who is who?
God. This is still finished.
Hey! So you see us finish now, we ask you to put it.
Hey!
Yeah, clap for yourself now. As close up ambassador that he is now. He will Jana Your Feyth, your name is Feyth.
My name is Feyth.
Where you come from?
From Edo State.
Edo State.
Benin gone.
Benin.
Ouchi side.
And then they chop people winch now. When they fly for night, they say for a whole man. The man know the figure again. How many men you don't hold?
Talk true. This show will not they lie.
Answer now. Answer. Now gospel artists them be. Now
but you know before then,
but before,
like that woman when say before I gave my life.
Before I gave my life to Christ. So make we ask them. So how many men you be don't hold before you give your life to Christ?
I just the hold on now.
You just hold. Not hold me. Not hold me.
Eh?
Okay, Chioma, where you come from?
Imo State.
Oscoff, you be Igbo now. You got one local government area of Imo State.
Yes.
Eh. Where?
Yes.
What be your full name?
Chioma Okereke.
Chioma Okereke. You get one person who know be Okereke. Wait, it's Stephanie Okereke.
Maybe
and
relationship.
Chinenye Okereke. Chioma, it's you know Chinenye Okereke or Stephanie Okereke?
Stephanie Okereke, I know.
Now you know. How you take now?
Now my older sister.
Oh, now your sister? Hey! Ungwaziano! Why you not ask him now?
I dey ask small. The man will give me do.
Oh, now what pass they do? My sister, you are going to blow. Carry gun now, shoot yourself. You go blow. Anyway, Feyth, welcome to the night show.
Thank you.
Katie, you're quiet.
Now only Feyth, they welcome the night show.
Now, I don't welcome Chioma now.
No,
You know,
hear
say
me
welcome.
Okay,
Yeah.
Chioma. Hey, wait now. Hey, Chioma. Hey, welcome. Hey, Chioma, welcome. No, hey, no. No, beg one. I'm waiting to see you will not say Hey, no. No, that looks so.
You must speak Benin too.
Hey, what we say? Hey, we say Feyth. Oh, welcome. Ma kiss you, Joy.
Zoka.
Go, Zoka. Anyone, welcome to the show. Now, Feyth, tell us about yourself and how you enter into gospel music. What will be your real name?
I wanna be a group.
No.
No.
Oh, wanna be solo.
Yeah, solo. But what will be your full name?
Solo for
My
solo.
full name is Feyth Otoikila.
Otoikila. What will be your native name?
Igbemi.
Hey! If you like me, sorry, not vex. You know me and with for here. If you like me, when you say you want to deliver somebody from evil spirit. Igbemi!
Yes.
Actually, Igbemi na to take.
Hey! Wait, Chabi, we talk. Evil spirit! Come on, take! So, Feyth, Igbemi, or
Otoikila.
something. Oh, no, be clear. Why you four person name?
No,
Otoikila.
So remember the name, you have to link it to something now.
Which language do they speak?
I dey speak Ihewe.
Ihewe. Is it you don't hear them before?
No, I never hear him.
Which kind of language? Speak American, say now.
Language of the gods.
Varia.
Vanilla. What you know I mean now?
Come here.
Why you say make I come now?
Don't be so many man, don't who.
I like the girl already.
So you're going to stay. So now what you think?
Who said the man?
You look up. Quiet.
Maria.
Vanilla.
They don't want the man to say no. You go say,
Vanilla.
yes.
Yes. How the man go say, I don't they come.
Ivade.
Come again.
Ivade Muzaheme.
Hey!
Say Vanilla.
Varia.
Is that the
3 times.
Varia. Yeah, Varia knew me.
Is that the other game? Now gospel music you don't be sing since. I be you just how gospel music start for you. Chioma, I'll come back to you the same question. How gospel music start for you? Because most of them when they sing gospel music, people they talk to them from choir when they start, and then from choir maybe your mama did choir or your papa did choir or your
maybe
grandpa
people
or your
they play
landlord
music
then they
around
choir.
you. Maybe you grow for a place where na music. Una they play.
So which one it be for you?
Well, my papa and my mama no dey for choir.
Okay.
Them be
but-
choir master.
They never even be any
They never near church.
They know we choir master.
Okay.
I just expose myself to different kind of songs.
Okay.
Different kind of
So
songs.
now
When you say you expose yourself,
Yes,
I don't know.
which kind of song you expose
how?
yourself to?
different. You know those days
Like
when
like
When you
Yes.
dey expose this expose.
when we dey very small now.
Okay.
Oh,
My
party.
papa go all those
Do
turn,
zaga-
all those turntable, yes. So you go
Okay.
listen to Ebenezer Obey, Shalama, all those
Okay.
guys.
Your
Shalama.
papa be groovy.
No,
Your daddy, man.
The pastor now choir. Shalama. Shalama. Yeah, anybody will listen to Shalama. Ask another question again. Hey, Shalama. Shalama, who again? Bob Marley.
Yes, Benji,
Atlantic Star.
Atlantic.
Bolivia,
The Parrock Live. Where your party now?
Morocco, they house.
It has. Where? Now for Lagos for you.
But here,
For you?
yes.
Which area?
Supposed to talk to that man.
Ebutimeta.
Ain't supposed to come show.
Your pastor supposed to come this show.
Honestly.
Your pastor go see the run things.
Aye.
So okay, where you come pick up the gospel? Where the thing hold you? Where you say okay, now gospel now you want to do
I mean, you dabble into other kind of
you
music
just
before you
enter-
settle into saying and gospel.
gospel?
I know that into any other music. I just love gospel right from time.
Okay.
I love the musical.
Something.
That rhythm for gospel music. Music they there. So then all those Domwen, Bob Feyth, all those old school Christian gospel music.
Chioma, make I ask you this question before you go answer the same question. Must you be born again to be gospel artist?
Yes.
So, but so what you tell me now? Be say everybody when they be say they do now. Everybody when they sing gospel song, now born again and is now what you now. I mean,
According to what you talk.
according to what you talk.
What I go talk, we say, you know, fit deliver something when you no believe in. You know, fit they talk say Jesus is Lord when you no believe. That mean Bible talk say they call me Lord, Lord. They call me Lord, Lord, Lord.
They say I love you in fame.
You've already
Nah, they don't kiss me.
you already classify them by calling it acting. This is our real life. This one our reality. So when we know they act, so you must believe what you they talk.
So you're saying everybody when they sing gospel must born again. We put it to you.
We know some of them. We know what in them they do. We know one call name. We they see them for somewhere. And now, how gospel music takes start for you?
For
You to
me,
expose yourself.
You expose yourself.
okay, for me now choir from my teenage days. I be join teenage choir. From teenage choir, when I enter university, I join church choir. So now gospel music.
Now, boy, make you join choir. Because you know, say,
I can see it in your eye. I can see it. But wait, when you did choir, you did choir before?
Yes, I do.
Yeah, you don't get any boy.
all those bass singers.
All those bass singers. And then the singer, they're going to cut eye for you. You don't get any time where you trip for anybody.
Then you go get
choir.
up, go peace.
Go
Then
peace.
he go
Then
say,
you enter go peace too.
try.
Hey, see them say I reveal myself.
You get anybody who don't toast you for choir before?
Then too many.
No.
What do you mean no? Think and where? What do you mean no?
Choir master never eye you before.
It's just that most of my choir, most of them are married men now.
So married men,
they
not
are
the
married
eye,
men.
not the eye.
No,
people.
this one's they discipline.
Feyth, hold on. Chioma, you know, so I believe say you go talk through. Now, Chioma, for choir, I put it to you again.
Yes.
You don't get anybody will toast you for choir, or you don't get anybody.
We say, let me walk you home.
Let me, thank you. And walk.
Yeah, we're walking in the light.
You understand? Then something come to happen. You understand? Anything like that. Chioma, stand up first of all.
Peace unto you. Ne.
Hallelujah.
Hey, somebody.
Praise the Lord!
Hallelujah.
I'm going to answer the question.
The answer is yes.
God go bless you for this
You
you.
make heaven.
Yes.
Wait, now you don't toast. I feel I didn't toast you.
No, then toast.
How many?
Only one.
What's it?
Okay, now one I give attention, sha.
But more. How many? In total, you know, say fly the pass here. Now the one we touch you. So how many of them here?
I know if you count.
Yeah, you are too much.
Now you're hot.
Say.
Yeah, I
I want to
know.
give you a very hot soup.
Hey, now you're hotter than fire.
Jesus.
Hey.
Yeah, me.
So who you come grief for?
No, that one we'll talk on later off camera.
Sister in the Lord.
Hallelujah.
Now make I ask
You know
you.
why I guess that? Because he get as intake answer that first question, say one person. You know, he get as everything one person.
So let me say the thing fall inside.
No, that one not.
It's okay. We're not talking anything.
We're not talking
Is it
anything.
your talk?
Is it your talk?
I don't know.
We dey talk our talk. You can't take what inside our talk. Is it your talk?
No vex, no vex.
Now, to start with, Feyth, tell us about your new single, your single way they ground.
Oh, yes, my single now, Weseo.
USA.
You go local.
Yeah, na local.
Okay.
So, what's in a popular song now? Wese Baba, oh, Wese
Nala, thank you, yeah?
Yeah, thank you, well done.
Yeah.
To God. So, the song now, one simple song that everybody can sing along.
How you come up with the song? Now you write it, now you just because you don't hear people they sing Wese. Now you say me, you just shook your own Wese, join it.
No, funny enough, I never hear another version of Wese before.
Okay.
But instead of using Wese, which everybody knows, I use Uluese.
Yeah.
Oh.
Uluese.
You know, say Wese day.
So
You wear swagger, yeah. You know, you now have swagger.
to swagger it.
You understand? It now
That's
become
it.
Uluese. Now see the same
My mama
meaning.
influenced that one, Sha.
Your mama they sing too.
She did na choir president.
But you say none of
What
your
is it?
No,
My
now
sister,
she
you will not
just
make
joined
effort.
now.
Make me watch one video they come. My sister.
all of us will just join.
We self, we just join. Chioma self just join.
To enjoy more of these our ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.